Hello students, in this video we will be learning about general DSB-SC. The power saving in DSB-SC system modulated at 80% is. This is the previous IS examination problem. Option A nil, option B 80%, option C 75.76, option D 50%. Sir, power saving means in DSB-SC with compared to which modulation scheme, sir? Any modulation is mentioned here? Not mentioned means with respect to AM only, because they given the modulation X. If the modulation is not mentioned in the question, that is nothing but AM. So when compared with AM, what is the power saved in DSB-SC? What is the formula, sir? Directly I given the formula. So power saving equal to percentage, what I told, 2 by 2 plus mu square into 100, or you can also write 1 minus eta also I written. So what is the mu value given? 80% means 0.8. So 2 by 2 plus 0.8 whole square into 100. Then it will be 75.76%. Any doubt anyone having? So power saving in DSB-SC system modulated 80% means when compared with our amplitude modulation system, have they given the modulation index of 80%. Direct formula, keep in your mind, get the solution. In examination, no need of writing the formula also. I am writing for your understanding. That keep in your mind and try the thing.